Hi, I am Chef Arangat Singh. I am chef with Bharat and Meow. Welcome to Nature's Basket Cookathon, a festival spread over 15 days with 15 chefs in collaboration with Travel Dine. So here my recipes goes with the name Cranberry and Nutella Crunchy Christmas Dumpling. I'll introduce some ingredients to you. So we have got Nutella from Nature's Basket, tempura batter mix. This is refined flour, wheat flour, organic sugar, refined cranberry, panko crumbs. So what we have done, we have made a batter of tempura, and with refined flour we have made a dough with water, and the dough has to be a little tight so as to make the sheets little thinner. So what I'll do, I'll put this small, I've cut the dough into small equal parts, and I'll be rolling it. So I'll just make the sheet of the dough. So at home, you can also do it with our belan. So the sheet has to be this thin to make dumpling. I'll just keep the sheet here. So what I'll do is, I've got some Nutella. I'm adding some Nutella to the bowl. I've got some cranberries here. So we'll be mixing these cranberries, chopped cranberries. You can also use candied cranberries. I'm using pickled cranberries because pickled cranberries have some flavor of liqueur, and Christmas dishes without flavor of liquor is, not complete. So here our mixture is ready. So I'll take the sheet and we'll add the mixture, and we'll give it a little press. Now we will roll it. So you can see the shape of the dumpling. I know it will be tough, so let's make it a little interesting. So we can also make it like gujia. So I'll show you a little easier shape. So we will now shape it like gujia. We will take some mixture and we'll add it in the sheet. Yeah. And now what we will do, we will just roll it. We'll just simply paste it. So guys, at home, if you're not able to make shape, just press the edges and steam it. This will also work. So for the shape of gujia, you need to use your thumb and first finger. Just press it from here and roll it. How wonderful. So this is your Christmas cranberry and Nutella gujia. So now the second step is to steam it. So we will put it in the basket. So at your home, if you have rice steamer, so you can put it in that also. So I'm just putting it in the basket. So our steamer is ready. Chef, please open the steamer. So here our dim sum going inside the steamer. So our dumplings are steamed, and you can can see how beautiful it has come. We can see shades of little red cranberries along with Nutella, and our gujia is shaped perfectly along with the dim sum. So now, as per the name, we will make it a little crunchy. To make it crunchy, I've got some tempura batter here. I'll be dipping it in tempura batter, and we will be adding this in panko crumbs. Same way we will do with the gujia. We will add it in panko crumbs. So you can procure all these ingredients from Nature Basket. It is the one-way solution to procure any ingredient in this country. So because the platform is so user friendly, we need not to worry about the complication of procurement. So it's now evenly crumbed. Now we will be frying it. So this is my small kitchen of Meow, and from here we create the magic. So we will be adding this in oil to crispy fry it. And here goes the gujia. Look at the color. Look at how beautiful it is. So here is our final step. So we have got some cinnamon sugar. What we have done, we have made cinnamon powder, mixed it with breakfast sugar. So I'll be adding it in the bowl, and we will be rolling our dumpling in this. So here our Nutella and cranberry crunchy Christmas dumpling is ready. So one last step is plating. So here we have a nice plate with a good height. So what we will do here is we will put some good chopped cranberries. We will first put our gujia and then dumpling. And the final step is to put some cinnamon sugar on top. So here is our cranberry and Nutella crunchy Christmas dumpling. Enjoy this recipe and do make sure you cook this at home. You will love it. And thank you Nature Basket for making this platform where we can procure these ingredients very nicely and quickly, and everything is always available. And looking forward for this festival to be a great success along with Travel Dine. Thank you.